Welcome to our channel. Today, we're delving into the world of dividend investing, specifically focusing on dividend stocks. If you're a beginner looking to grow your wealth through passive income, you're in the right place. Let's dive into our beginner's guide to investing in dividend stocks. Before we jump into the specifics, let's first understand what dividend investing is all about. Dividend investing involves purchasing stocks in companies that regularly distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. Let's explore why dividend investing can be a smart strategy for long-term wealth building. Dividend stocks offer several benefits to investors, including a steady stream of passive income, potential for capital appreciation, and a hedge against market volatility. Let's dive deeper into the advantages of investing in dividend stocks. Choosing the right dividend stocks is crucial for building a successful dividend portfolio. We'll discuss key factors to consider when evaluating dividend stocks, including dividend yield, payout ratio, dividend growth, and stability of dividends. Building a diversified dividend portfolio is essential for managing risk and maximizing returns. We'll explore strategies for constructing a well-balanced dividend portfolio across different sectors and industries. When you receive dividends from your investments, you have the option to reinvest them back into more shares of the same stock or take them as cash. We'll discuss the pros and cons of reinvesting dividends versus taking cash and how it impacts your overall investment strategy. Understanding the tax implications of dividend investing is important for maximizing your after-tax returns. We'll cover the tax treatment of dividends and how it varies depending on your tax bracket and the type of account you invest in. Monitoring your dividend portfolio regularly and rebalancing when necessary is essential for long-term success. We'll discuss how to track your portfolio performance, adjust your holdings, and stay on top of changes in the market. As we wrap up our beginner's guide to investing in dividend stocks, remember that patience and discipline are key virtues of successful dividend investors. Start small, do your research, and stay focused on your long-term financial goals. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of dividend investing. We hope you found this beginner's guide helpful in starting your own dividend investment journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content on passive income strategies. Until next time, happy investing.